Hi everyone, my name is Catherine, owner of GraCee Designs, and this is Mornings with GraCee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a scrunchie with a matching detachable scarf. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. I have pre-cut the fabric. This is 100% cotton. The scrunchie measures 4 by 24 and the scarf measures 8 by 24. The elastic is 1/4 inch by approximately 9 inches. We're then going to cut the scarf fabric with a little bit of design. We're going to fold it this way, and then we're going to cut about a 45-degree angle here and 2 small circular cuts here. And when you're finished, this is what the piece will look like. Open it up and you see we have little indents for where you tie it and a nice little pointy edge on the scarf. To sew the scrunchie, we have to put the right sides together, and we're going to sew the long side first. Now when we sew the scarf piece, I like to leave the opening here in the middle to hand stitch when we're finished. So we're going to sew here, and we're going to sew here all the way around and then back to here and leave this little spot right here open. Okay, so I have placed the scrunchie piece onto my machine and I'm going to sew the long side. This piece. Next step, turning the pieces right side out. First, I'm going to take the scrunchie piece and I will just pull it through until the whole thing is right side. Out so you can see it, and here's where our opening is, which we're gonna hand sew. Okay, so I'm going to give the scarf a press. I'm even going to turn in the seam where we're going to hand stitch it closed. Now I will press the scrunchie piece. Pressing is done, and next step is to put in the elastic. For the elastic, we're going to put a safety pin on one edge to pull it through. Just go like this. You got to hold the other end though, so that doesn't go through. So we're now through and I've both my ends. And we're going to tie that together. I'm going to clip that elastic and then give it a good tug, both edges on both sides, to finish off the scrunchie. There's two ways we can do this. We can do it by machine, tuck one into the other, and then just run that machine right across, and it would be done. When you do sew it on the machine, it kind of flattens that spot out, but it is quicker. I like to do it by hand and just get the needle and thread and tack that edge, which I'll show you next. Okay, I have my needle and thread. By the way, this is a self-threading needle, which I will talk about in my episode of my favorite tools coming up. And we'll get started here and just do a little bit of hand sewing. We'll tuck that knot underneath, and we can just go around and get that edge sewn. Okay, so there you have it. Closed in my edge, and I'm going to hide this thread by going underneath and cut it. And there's our scrunchie. Next, we'll finish the scarf. Okay, I now have my scarf, and because I pressed that edge, it's gonna make a lot easier for me to hand sew this and finish it up. I'll get those ends from the machine tucked in there, and then we'll start here, tuck in that knot, and we will start finishing this edge off. And there you have it, our scrunchie and our scarf to attach. Let's take that scarf, tie it onto our scrunchie, for that fun, fashionable look. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like, or share my channel, Mornings with Gracie.